Hey guys, welcome to the Ozzstar YouTube channel. SEMA 2018 is crazy. We're out here signing posters and we're having a good time.
Put 4 smart cars in it and
It'll make parking spaces.
look at that thing, man. That's like, you know what? You need a Denny's child booster seat to sit over high enough to look over the length of that hood. That hood is so long.
So you're saying you like that car?
Oh, absolutely not, man.
Have a good day. Enjoy
Enjoy
the show.
Yeah. Oh, always. Every year.
Hey, all right. Thanks for checking out the video. I appreciate you stopping by. That's just a few cars from the SEMA show. I'm going to have another video coming up here. There were some really cool tools that I saw. There were some real neat like hand tools, sockets, different types of swivels and tire machines and all kinds of fun stuff. So you won't want to miss that video. Make sure you click that red subscribe button. I also probably will do a video on the SEMA Ignited, which is a lot of the cars that participate in the show actually drive out of the convention center. So it's kind of like a cruise that goes right on by. There's a lot of really neat stuff to see. So stay tuned for that. Check out some of my other videos if you get a chance. And if you don't mind hitting that thumbs up button, leave me a comment, question down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take it easy.